Food science is a multidisciplinary field focused on many different aspects of food. My specialty is in the area of food safety and food fraud.
One of the main subject categories of food science is food chemistry, where we're applying the fundamentals of chemistry to look at the complex molecules in food. We look at reactions and the various interactions of the molecules and how they impact quality.
It's very difficult to determine how extensive food fraud is. Some estimates have said it's around $15 or $16 billion of a loss. I focus on species mislabeling, so specifically looking at meat and seafood.
My current research interests involve studying plant bioactive compounds, specifically phenolic compounds in foods. And right now I'm working on the impact on color, because we actually select foods first with our eyes before health or any other aspect. Consumers right now are demanding more natural ingredients instead of the synthetic additives, and so we look at these phenolic compounds as an alternative for shelf life extension.
In my research, we develop and apply molecular methods to identify species and products and determine whether or not the products are mislabeled. One of the studies I conducted with an undergraduate was focused on pet food mislabeling. We found close to 40% of the products we tested didn't reflect exactly what was on the label. The students working in my lab learn important skills for doing scientific research, and they're also learning valuable lab techniques such as DNA extraction and DNA sequencing that are very useful when they get out into the industry.
I mostly work with graduate students. So what I'm trying to impart in them is independence in research. So they are going to be involved in all the steps of the research project, from the ideation steps to communicating their findings.
I find it extremely gratifying to see students start out with little or no experience in research and go on to have designed, implemented, and oftentimes published a scientific study.
So that's been rewarding, working collaboratively with them, seeing them grow. We are feeding minds that are going to feed the county, the country, and the world in general.